Hello guys and welcome back to the How To channel. In today's video we are going to see how to set up and use Roblox parental control, so let's get started. First of all, we have to be logged in with our child's account. We go to settings and in the configuration screen we select parental control. Here we are going to click on add father or mother. Here we'll be asked to enter an email address. Then we go to our email to see the message that was sent to us, in which they tell us to link our child's account by creating an account or log in with our existing account. Once inside, having created the account, a message will appear asking us if we want to link our child's account. We are going to click on accept and we will have it linked. Now, to be able to use parental control, we go from our account to settings to the parental control option, and here we can see various metrics such as requests to accept, hours of play by our child, and various options to control our child's contact with the Roblox application, like content maturity, communication, spending restrictions, visibility and private servers, and trading and inventory. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How To channel.